We've got to talk. It's all your food. It has
Are you guys wanting another video? I got you covered. So today I'm heading over to Shoot Straight on Clearwater, Florida, and I'm meeting up with my buddies from work. We're gonna pop off a couple of rounds. Hope you enjoy. Right.
Out every round.
You going now?
How's that group? Oh yeah. He done for. He done for. Going 15 feet. What are you doing?
Jam up again?
Hey guys, so I enjoyed myself today shooting at the range. I was having a little bit of issues with my Taurus. It kept on jamming, and it was probably due to the fact of my my bullets didn't have brass casings. So I was having issues with that. But other than that, and then my shield did wonderful. I was not only just it was my actual first time shooting it since it's a new purchase, and I had installed the mag extender to it, so it added another 2 more bullets to the magazine. So other than that, I mean, it was good. Could have been better, but we had a good time, and that's what it's all about, having good times. See you on the next one.